Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove duplicates Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Sheets document. After that, select the cells and analyze. After this, click on the Data menu and there you will click on the Data Cleanup option and then choose Remove Duplicates. Now leave all the boxes activated and you are going to click on Remove Duplicates. You can see the number of rows deleted. Click OK and you will see your data without duplicates. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.